In today's video, I'm going to give you another additional configuration tip to make your LinkedIn profile as optimized as possible. Hide the section, People Also Viewed. Welcome to Bicomo's guide to help you optimize your LinkedIn profile. I'm Xavier Mitjana, and this is Build Your Brand. By default, LinkedIn displays in our profile a column with other profiles that it considers related to ours. In general, this means profiles that we can identify as competitors. And what we do not want is that our potential client or recruiter leaves our profile directly to one that we can consider our competition. So, the ideal is to disable this section. Let's go. Open your LinkedIn profile and in the top bar, open the drop-down menu by clicking on your photo. In this menu, click on the Settings and Privacy item. Once you have loaded the page, in the sidebar, go to Account Preferences section. Go to Site Preferences. Scroll down to the penultimate item, People Also Viewed, and click on Change. Notice the switch link to the question, Display People Also Viewed box on your profile page? Change the switch to No. And that's it. With these simple steps, you will have deactivated this module from your profile, and you will have ensured that your users browse your profile without unnecessary noise or competitor profiles. Remember, if you have not yet downloaded the free guide in PDF format, you can do it in the link I leave in the description. You will find a guide of more than 50 pages where the function of each of the sections of your LinkedIn profile is explained step by step, a complete guide that includes examples, practical exercises, videos, and proposes tricks and creative uses of the different sections so you can optimize in depth and get the most out of your LinkedIn profile. And that's it. If you found this content interesting, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Don't miss my next video. Your support is essential. If you found this video useful, interesting, or entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe. You can also follow me on my LinkedIn profile. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.